Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to change your withdrawal method on PoppoLive. I decided to do this video because I see this concerning comments under the comment section of my video of someone that is using her friend's contract address, and as such you don't know how to change it, and I decided to do this video. So all you need to do is simply come on PoppoLive, click on your home page, click on your points, okay, so that you withdraw. I'm actually using an iPhone. If you're using Android, it will show withdraw. So you now click on withdraw now. When you click on withdraw now, it's going to open to this page where you are going to see this arrow, two arrow pointing opposite direction. So even if you are using USDT or you are using normal bank, it will show like that. So you click on the arrow pointing opposite direction, you are going to see view. Like me now, I actually bind both. I can withdraw both to my local currency, to my Naira account, and I can also withdraw to my USDT. So let's assume it's the USDT you want to change. So you just click on view, or if it is the bank card, you can just click on view. So when you click on view, you will now see what was posted before. So let's assume that this is my friend's address. So I would rather now go to my Binance and go to my portfolio on Binance and click on USDT so that I can copy my own contract address so that I will paste it. So I'll just click on deposit, and remember that it is using TRC20. If you use another network, it will go elsewhere. So I will just simply copy it and come back here to Poppo so that I will paste it. So you can just click that tiny X to remove your friends or whosoever contract address, or maybe your formal contract address, because sometimes contract address can change. I remember the contract address I was using for USDT before now on Binance, it has expired after some years. So they can also let you know when it's expiring so that they will change. So if that happens, you click that so that you'll be able to submit it, and that is how you can do that. So you click on withdraw. Like me now, it's showing $80, but I don't want to withdraw it now. I always prefer withdrawing it when it is up to 100 USD. Okay, so if you have any question or you want to learn how to create and verify your Binance so that you'll be withdrawing to your USDT, please check the description of this video or ask in the comment section so that I will reply you with a video that will show you how I practically do that. And if you are new, you don't know what this video is all about, we are using PoppoLive. Poppo is a live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefit. I will drop also, I'll pin in the comment section link to how you can join my Telegram and how you can download the app so that you can also start live streaming to make money. And if you're already on Poppo, you want to be making more money and you have the influence, you want to become an agent, again in the comment section I will also pin a link to a video that will show you how to become an agent, as well as a link that you can just click to sign up to become an agent. I'm actually shooting this video on the 2nd, so please send me Happy New Year.